It's because we're out in the open, bro. We're on a fucking field.
You right.
We're not on just any field, right, Adrian?
We're at the battlefield.
Hey guys, could we get a screenshot?
Hey guys, welcome back to
Hello everybody, welcome to the Minecraft. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. Oh, shit.
Oh no! Damn, dude, they really did Jesus like that. Abi.
What the fuck?
It's like I stepped on a dog.
Fucking squeeze the can is what I did.
Get out of here.
Alright guys, I just got fucking road killed in the sky when I bailed.
Shouldn't have failed.
Jumpy.
Finally, I'm on a battlefield. I was in a queue the whole time. I was laying in bed playing Fetch with Cheese Dips. Vibing. Then I was like, oh, I gotta go to war, buddy. Daddy's gotta go to war.
Gotta deploy this sussy baka. Someone moan into the mic. I bleed black and gold. Bro,
I think that shirt was hard.
Man.
Peak graphic design.
Blow. Did I ever tell you guys about the fucking Coconino shirts that was like that? So the Coconino High School, their colors is black and red, and I was in the thrift store, and I saw the shirt, and it was like I bleed red, and it was, it was like I can see why they got rid of it. They were
Wish I could bleed red. I bleed cum.
Oh, Spider gave birth on
Spider gave birth to my Gogut.
Right, if you shoot these balls, you'll get loot.
I feel like I'm gonna die. I see a red fucking cross and bones on it.
That's I mean, loot.
That means loot.
Are we watching?
Yeah, what? Oh, yeah, we're Russian. Bro, I can't wait until like 50 years from now. That's like gonna be like a DLC. Play on the iconic days of the fucking Ukraine invasion, bro. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen.
relive the Russian invasion on Kyiv.
Relive the Russian on Kyiv.
Urban warfare. You know how they have planes in Warzone now? It's like they'd be like a pre-order now to get the Ghost of Kyiv air fighter skin or something.
It's gonna happen, I'm telling you. Man, look at the fucking team, bro. Look at this. I love this kind of teamwork. Look to your left there, and look at everyone running on the hill. We're storming the objective.
Yeah, this is an invasion.
Yeah, yes, this is how you bomb an invasion. Yeah. Oh man, we really shouldn't be joking about that, but you know it's funny.
Together somewhere in public. In here, I just started like moaning like crazy.
Then I told her it's a shame if somebody fucked it.
My man and little fuck at you.
Stop running.
This is not the time to start lactating.
Can I wear your skin?
This is definitely where the vegans will hang out.
Snap his dick like a glow stick.
It's a conspiracy within a conspiracy. Also, Pickle Rick.
We're gonna name it Beauty Boy.
I remember when my phone first exploded.
Dude, everyone was coming at my ass. You waited, dude.
It's hard to sprint with a boner.
I like messing around with chicken.
No.
Do something right now.
I dig holes for fun. I can't fucking say horse in this dance. It's gonna turn Adrian on.
Why do you want a mini version?
Oh, I thought I fucked you.
Oh, his dad's never gonna come back. He just lost a game.
Wait, I hear Sweet Child of Mine playing, but I thought I was just hallucinating.
Kill yourselves, guys. Kill yourselves.
Oh shit.
That's gonna be an out of context clip right there. Whoa.
Oh fucking Christ, this scared me. She's on the fucking roof. This bitch, bro. How'd you like my war cry?
Cheat.
Is
Like
that
you actually speak the language.
Yeah.
Mighty Jabba. I do not.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that
It had like chickens and cows and everything, but I just slaughtered them all because like fuck it. Oh yeah, and look, we have a fucking hole in the ground.
This is fuck.
Yeah.
nice.
Oh yeah, that's it. That.
Fuck village.
This is the
Hell yeah.
this is the
Oh
fuck
my
field
This
right
is
here.
like the Hollywood sign, dude.
Oh.
I could save $1 if I wait till 9:20 p.m. Cash money, baby.
Oh. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, we're big dubs.
Take that, Doug.
Sound like you actually died in real life, bro. I'm furious. Cause you won't get your fucking brother.
Come over here. Eat your fucking toast and shut up.
Sorry, Daddy. Shut your fucking face, you cabbage stew.
Shut up.
Was it tasty when it hit your gums? The succulent taste of a strawberry. No drip, Potter. No. Potter, there's an airstrike coming. Quick, Potter. Create a force field to protect us from the airstrike.
Oh,
I'll
no.
fucking do something right now. I'm not kidding you. And so 1 shekel for a hard day's work.
Before time began.
Before time. Bro, you like sound like fucking Sensei Wu.
Ninjago. Kai. Megatron has no reaches.
Megatron, you have Uno. You have.
I don't have Uno.
Ba-ba-ba.
All in the hallway.
Oh!
Diffuser on Milton again.
I'm gonna fat head of Optimus Prime giving me head.